Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your iPhone model and iOS, and that your carrier supports 5G standalone. Next, insert or activate the eSIM profile the carrier provided. You'll often need the carrier app or QR code. Once done, open Settings Cellular, select the line, turn cellular data on, then tap Voice and Data and pick 5G Auto or 5G on. This ensures the device requests standalone 5G, where available rather than falling back to 4G. Now focus on more detailed configuration. Install any carrier APN or operator profile they provided, because SA often requires proper APN settings for data and network slicing. Then, in Settings Cellular Data Options, choose 5G Auto for battery-friendly performance or 5G on if you need continuous maximum throughput. After changing settings, restart the iPhone to force re-registration with the network. Make sure the status bar or cellular settings show 5G and that to finish, validate the connection by running speed and latency tests and by using apps that need low latency. Standalone 5G should show lower latency and consistent uplink. If you don't get SA, toggle airplane mode, reboot, and confirm the eSIM profile is active. If problems persist, reset network settings as a targeted step, but back up Wi-Fi passwords first. If that fails, contact your carrier and provide registration/IMS error details so they can check your subscriber provisioning and core network registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.